Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is White Christmas. It's Christmas time, and I created a cool arrangement for jazz guitar, White Christmas, which I'm gonna teach you here. I'll show you how it will sound. Yeah, and so on. You probably all know this song. We're gonna check out the melody and the chords, so let's get started. First we're gonna check out the melody, and I wrote down the arrangement in the position here of this C major pattern, and in this case then it's quite simple. If you know the pattern, you just oopsie, you just put in the melody there. But alternative, you can start, the melody goes like this, the beginning 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can play it here, which is quite simple, but for some reasons I prefer to play it here. Personally, that also works. So it will be here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from now on we're going to this position. Then we go, it continues here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be the melody of the first part, which is basically you just play the scale up and down. Let's do it with the backing track which I created, where I played bass and piano and guitar. It's a professional arrangement, so let's do this now. Yo, now let me quickly put a marker here, now we can do the second part. And the B section is quite similar. The first 10 bars are exactly the same. And now here comes the difference. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So that will be the ending of the second part. So let's do the second part. And as I said, the melody is quite simple. Second part. Now new part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So that will be the whole melody. Yo, Now, that's the way it's written. If you want to play it a little bit more emotional, or also if you want to do an improvisation, I strongly recommend that you try to play around the melody. You know the melody, then you play around the melody, which is quite cool. And I give you an example how you can do that. You somehow stick to the melody, but not exactly. And that's a more personal thing. I was playing around the melody, so that you can do. Now let's check out the chords. The chords should be supportive to the melody, so we just lay the chords, and so the first chord will be C6, and then since this part doesn't really match to a chord, we double up the melody with octaves. Let me quickly put away the pick. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it goes to D minor. And then we follow this thing here. We take the same chord here, we play F sharp, 6, and to G, 6. And then we go to F major 7. Then to G7 and to C major down here. Then comes C7, then to F, F minor, we take an F minor 7, to C, to D minor, to G7, and back to our original C. Or you can take this one if you prefer that one. So let's do that in context with the tune. Just lay down the chords, that's enough. Now C7, F, C, to G7. Now the same thing again. Now F, 2 bars. The ending is quite different. C, A minor. Let's quickly check out the ending. That will be C major to A minor, F to G7 to the original C at the end. And you can hear in the chords how you support the melody of the tune. You guys, that was White Christmas. It's quite a simple but beautiful melody, and it works perfect with jazz guitar. And that created a really cool backing track for you guys. Me playing guitar, piano, and bass. You can download it in the HPCrazy Guitar Plus, get the tabs. of what I just was explaining. If it was too fast for you guys, and there you can download it. Yo, what more to say? If you love my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community, please become a premium member in the HPCrazy Guitar Community, and please share to the world that me and Dr. Pink are existing. What more to say? That's it. Merry Christmas.